Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find USDT wallet address on Kraken. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Kraken application. Once you have logged into your Kraken account, then you need to click on portfolio. After that, click on deposit button. Now you need to click on deposit crypto button. From this window, in the search bar, search for USDT and simply select USDT Tether. Once you have selected, then from this window you need to choose a network. So simply choose a network from many network out there. In this video I will be demonstrate on Tron. So simply click on Tron network, and before that always make sure to select same network on the sending side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on Tron, and here you need to read instructions, so read it carefully. The minimum deposit is 5 USDT, and after that click on I understand. After that, here you can see your USDT Tron wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDT wallet address on Kraken. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.